Have you ever wondered why experienced drivers seem to cruise so effortlessly while you're still struggling with every little detail? The secret lies in hidden features that not everyone knows about. It could be a small symbol on the dashboard, a seemingly useless switch, or a mode you've never touched. Yet, these features can save time, enhance safety, and provide exceptional comfort. Let's explore 19 little-known secrets to see what your familiar car is truly capable of. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. If you don't, subscribe anyway. 1. Hidden features of seatbelts. Everyone knows buckling up is a basic rule, but few realize that the familiar seatbelt has sophisticated hidden features to protect you better. First is the pretensioner, an automatic belt tightening system. When sensors detect a collision, it instantly tightens the belt, eliminating slack to secure your body firmly to the seat, ensuring the airbag works most effectively. Next is the force limiter, a mechanism that slightly loosens the belt after tightening to prevent excessive pressure on your chest, reducing the risk of injury. In the rear seats, many car models feature inflatable seat belts, which distribute crash forces over a wider area, minimizing harm to children or the elderly. Additionally, the belt buckle includes an energy management loop, a twist that absorbs force, reducing direct impact during a crash. Finally, you can adjust the upper anchor point so the belt sits properly across your chest, rather than pressing against your neck, a small detail with a big impact on safety. 2. The fuel tank location arrow. Many drivers have found themselves in an unfamiliar car at a gas station, unsure which side the fuel cap is on. Some lower the window to peek out, others get out and walk around, and some even pull up to the wrong side of the pump, fumbling to reposition under the annoyed stares of others. What few notice is that the answer is right in front of you, on the dashboard. Next to the small fuel pump icon, there's often an arrow pointing left or right. That's the indicator of the fuel cap's location. It's a simple but incredibly helpful detail, especially when driving a rental, a friend's car, or a company vehicle. 3. Starting the car when the remote battery dies. Many drivers have faced the frustrating moment when the remote key won't work, leaving the car unresponsive. The simple reason is often a dead battery in the key fob, leading some to call for roadside assistance or scramble to replace the battery on the spot. But most modern cars have a clever workaround few notice. Inside the remote, besides the active signal system that uses a battery, there's a passive RFID chip. This chip doesn't need a battery. It draws power directly from the car's sensor, usually built into the start-stop button. So, when the battery dies, just hold the remote close to the start button, within a few centimeters, and the car will still recognize it and start normally. 4. Road condition warning light. Many drivers only notice familiar warning lights like the check engine or low fuel indicators, overlooking a tiny but critical symbol, the road condition warning light. On cold winter days, a snowflake icon may appear on the dashboard, signaling that the outside temperature is low enough for icy roads. This isn't just for show, it's a direct warning about the risk of losing steering control. The temperature sensor, usually located in the front bumper and separate from the engine, provides accurate readings, making this signal more reliable than you might think. On slippery roads, even driving slowly, a car can lose traction and slide, a risk many drivers underestimate. Some newer models also display warnings for thick fog or heavy rain, helping drivers proactively slow down and maintain a safe distance. 5. The morning fueling tip. Some have heard the tip about fueling up in the morning, but dismissed it as an old wives' tale. In fact, this tip has a clear scientific basis. Like most liquids, gasoline expands when warm and contracts when cool. This means that in the early morning or cool evening, the fuel in the gas station's underground tank is denser. For the same number of gallons, you get slightly more energy compared to pumping at noon under scorching heat. The difference may not be huge immediately, but for frequent drivers or those who regularly fill up, this silent savings can add up over time. 6. Heated side mirrors. On winter mornings, many drivers get annoyed when they find their side mirrors fogged up or covered in frost. Often, people resort to wiping them with a cloth or even reaching out while driving to clear water, which is both inconvenient and dangerous. What many overlook is that many cars come equipped with heated side mirrors. Instead of turning the mirror adjustment switch to the left, L, or right, R, rotate it to the bottom position to activate the heating system. Hidden heating elements inside the mirror warm the surface, quickly clearing fog, frost, or rainwater. Within minutes, the mirrors are clear, restoring your rear visibility without lifting a finger. Like this content so more people can see it. 7. Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TEMS). Many drivers only notice a tire issue when it's completely flat or they're stranded calling for roadside assistance. In reality, the problem is often flagged earlier by the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, which many overlook. On the dashboard, a yellow icon shaped like a tire with an exclamation mark lights up when one or more tires lose pressure. Some drivers mistake this for an electrical glitch and ignore it, only to face serious tire damage later. Underinflated tires not only make the car sluggish and less fuel efficient, but also generate more heat from friction, which can lead to a dangerous blowout at high speeds. Since 2007, most passenger cars are required to have TPMS, and some advanced models even display the exact pressure for each tire, so you know exactly where to take action. 8. Blind spot warning. Many drivers have experienced the heart-stopping moment of changing lanes only to realize a car is right beside them, completely invisible in the side mirrors. That's the blind spot, the area neither your eyes nor mirrors can fully cover. On highways, a single second of carelessness can lead to a side collision, which is both costly and potentially life-threatening. To reduce this risk, many modern cars come equipped with a blind spot warning system. When a vehicle enters your blind spot, a small icon lights up on the side mirror or A-pillar if you activate the turn signal. At that moment, the system flashes more intensely, often accompanied by an audible alert or even a steering wheel vibration to warn you. 9. Adaptive Cruise Control. On long highway drives, many drivers feel their accelerator foot stiffen, leading to fatigue and loss of focus. Traditional cruise control keeps the car at a fixed speed, but if the vehicle ahead slows down, you have to brake, cancel the mode, and reset it. Annoying and cumbersome. That's why many modern cars feature adaptive cruise control, a much smarter version. This system uses radar and cameras to continuously monitor the road ahead, automatically slowing down or even lightly braking to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in your lane. When the road clears, it resumes your set speed without you touching the pedal. In traffic jams, it can even bring the car to a complete stop and restart when traffic moves again. Many new drivers or those on long trips find this feature significantly reduces stress, freeing up their legs and allowing them to focus more on observing the road. 10. Check engine light and common causes. Many drivers panic when the yellow check engine light suddenly glows on the dashboard. The immediate worry is whether the issue is minor or serious, and whether to pull over or keep driving. In reality, the most common cause is surprisingly simple: a loose or improperly tightened fuel cap, causing the system to detect a fuel vapor leak and trigger the warning. But it's not always that lucky. The light can also signal issues with spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, or the mass airflow sensor. More severe cases might involve the catalytic converter or fuel system, and ignoring these for too long can lead to major damage, with repair costs reaching tens of millions of dong. The frustrating part is that this small icon doesn't specify the problem. It only indicates something is wrong. 11. Motion parallax, visual illusion while driving. Have you ever noticed while driving that trees along the roadside zip by quickly, while distant mountains seem almost stationary? That's motion parallax, a visual illusion while driving. Objects closer to you appear to move faster because your viewing angle changes rapidly, creating the sensation that they're rushing past in the opposite direction. Conversely, Distant objects, like mountains, barely shift in position, giving a static impression despite your high speed. Even when you glance at the sky, the moon seems to lazily follow you throughout the journey because its vast distance keeps the viewing angle nearly constant. This phenomenon isn't just fascinating, it plays a key role in estimating speed and distance while driving. It helps you sense the relative speed between your car and surrounding objects, allowing for better adjustments. 12. Connecting your phone with Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Today, smartphones are practically glued to us on every trip, but holding a phone while driving is undeniably dangerous. This is where Apple CarPlay and Android Auto become invaluable assistants that many drivers underutilize. When connected, essential apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, or messaging appear directly on the car's central screen, letting you control the car and follow directions easily. No more frantically glancing at a tiny phone screen or fumbling to change songs while cruising on the highway. Another key point is that these platforms prioritize safety. Non-essential apps like games or videos are blocked. Drivers can use voice commands to make calls, send texts, or navigate maps without taking their hands off the wheel. 13. Secret storage compartments in your car. Many drivers complain about cramped cars, with items scattered from the passenger seat to the trunk, making it a hassle to find things when needed. Yet, many car models have hidden storage compartments that most drivers overlook. These could be small cubbies under the seats, covered floor compartments, or even hidden spaces behind the center console. Some cars are even more clever, with waterproof compartments perfect for cold drinks, wet shoes, or items prone to mold. Even mainstream SUVs often have removable plastic bins in the rear floor that are easy to take out and clean. These compartments are incredibly useful for stashing valuables out of sight in the cabin, avoiding curious eyes in parking lots. 14. Adjustable headrests and emergency window braking. Most drivers see headrests as mere comfort features, unaware they're critical for safety. When adjusted to the correct height, headrests reduce neck injuries in rear-end collisions, preventing whiplash, a sudden backward head snap that can damage the spine. Yet, many leave headrests too low or too far back, rendering them useless. Even more surprising is a hidden feature few notice. In emergencies, you can fully remove the headrest and use its two metal prongs to smash a side window. This is a quick escape method if you're trapped in the car after a crash or flooding. 15. Anti-stall, preventing stalls in manual cars. Anyone who's driven a manual car likely recalls the embarrassment of releasing the clutch too soon, causing the car to jerk and stall at an intersection. Not only is it awkward, but it can prompt impatient honks from cars behind, adding pressure to the driver. For new drivers, stalling when starting, especially on hills, is a recurring nightmare. That's why many newer manual cars come with an anti-stall feature. When you release the clutch at the right speed, the system automatically adds throttle, maintaining just enough RPM to prevent stalling. Drivers can focus on clutch operation without frantically pressing the gas. On hills, this feature is especially valuable, helping the car move forward smoothly instead of rolling back. 16. Heads-up display, HUD. If you've ever stepped into a car with a heads-up display, HUD, for the first time, you might feel surprised to see numbers and symbols seemingly floating on the windshield right in front of you. In reality, this technology, inspired by fighter jet cockpits, was brought to cars to help drivers stay focused. With HUD, you can see your speed, RPM, the road speed limit, or even navigation directions right in your line of sight. Some advanced cars also display the current song or incoming call information, all projected directly onto the windshield, so you don't need to glance at the dashboard or touch the center screen. This may seem minor, but it's critical. Taking your eyes off the road for just a few seconds to check information significantly increases the risk of an accident. Yet, many drivers, after getting their car, treat the HUD like a gimmick and turn it off to avoid distraction, unaware they're missing out on a valuable safety tool. Some even drive for years without adjusting the HUD to display at the most comfortable and visible position. 17. Backseat reminder. One of the seemingly simple but deeply thoughtful features in newer cars is the backseat reminder. It might sound unnecessary, but there have been heartbreaking incidents where drivers or parents accidentally left children or pets in the car during hot weather. A sealed cabin in the summer heat can turn into an oven within minutes, with temperatures soaring to dangerous levels. This is why car makers developed this smart reminder system. Its operation is straightforward. If you opened a rear door during the trip, when you turn off the engine and prepare to leave, the car will emit an audible signal or display a warning on the screen, prompting you to check the back seat. Some high-end models even use sensors or cameras to detect movement or heartbeats in the rear cabin, triggering an urgent alert. Many initially find this feature annoying, but just imagine forgetting an important backpack, a pet, or, worse, a sleeping child. You'll realize how essential it is. 18. Conversation mirror. In many family-oriented vehicles, especially minivans or crossovers, there's a small detail not everyone notices. Conversation mirror. At first glance, it looks like a small convex mirror near the central rearview mirror, but its practical value is significant. With a quick flick, the mirror flips down, giving you a full view of the back seats without turning your head. For families with young kids, this is incredibly convenient. You can drive while checking if your children are sleeping, misbehaving, or arguing, all while keeping your eyes forward. It's far safer than turning around while driving, which is extremely risky. In some premium models, the conversation mirror is upgraded to an in-cabin camera system, displaying the rear seats directly on the center screen, even clearly visible in the dark. 19. Electronic Stability Control, ESC. Among the silent safety technologies in modern cars, electronic stability control, ESC, is one of the most critical yet rarely talked about. Many know about ABS or airbags, but ESC is the true shield that keeps the car stable in unpredictable situations. Its mechanism sounds complex, but is easy to understand. The system constantly monitors each wheel's speed, steering angle, and the car's actual direction. If it detects the car starting to skid or lose control, ESC intervenes by selectively braking individual wheels and reducing engine power to pull the car back on track. In reality, countless accidents during high-speed cornering or sudden swerves have been prevented thanks to ESC. Your daily car isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a treasure trove of technology with countless silent features, from electronic stability control and blind spot warnings to conversation mirrors and backseat reminders. Each detail is designed to protect, save time, and provide a safer, more comfortable experience. Don't let them go unnoticed. Explore, use them, and become a smarter driver every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch more fascinating secrets.